Have you ever felt like you were in a place so dark and so deep that you couldn't even see a way out? Not a single ray of light was reaching you, and there just seemed to be no hope for a better future. That's where I was one hot summer day. My husband walked through the door, looked at me and said, "I got fired," and went to the bedroom, leaving me alone with all my fear, worry, anxiety, and anger. Anger at him for losing yet another job. Fear that we'd end up homeless or going hungry. Worry about how I was going to pay the rent or put food on the table. And anxiety about what the future held for us, or if it held any future at all for us. All hope vanished. I just couldn't see any reason to go on. I looked at the bottle of pills on that kitchen table, and I wondered just how many of those I would have to take to end everything that day. And then I thought about my son, who would take care of him if I weren't there. Now, my husband, he'd already told me he would commit suicide if I ever left. My mother, she couldn't afford to. She would if she could, but she couldn't. And the family I had that could, wouldn't. And my husband's family, with the way they treated him, not a chance. Foster care? Never. The next thought was, I should take him with me. And it's that thought that woke me up. And I made a commitment that day to myself that even if I didn't know how, no matter how long it took, I would do whatever I had to do to make his life better than mine. That journey took me 20 long, painstaking, heartbreaking years. And everything I learned in that process is what I'm going to be teaching in my course, Writing Your Way to a Better Tomorrow. Over 9 weeks, we'll be going over 45 exercises to help you get clear about what you want for your future so you can build a pathway that leads you there. Communicate that with clarity and consistency so you can attract other people to help you in doing it. Be consistent in taking action every single day to turn that vision into a concrete reality you can live in. Connect with other people on a deep and personal level by showing up to serve them and not looking to gain something from them. To cooperate with other people so that they see the benefits of helping you achieve what you want and desire in life. Now, there is no amount of money that you could pay me that would be equal to the value of what I'm offering you. This will change your life if you let it. But because it's still in the beta testing phases with other people, I'm offering the course, all 9 weeks of it, for just $99. That's $11 a week. You will not find a better deal. I'll be offering 2 cohorts. One is from 6 to 8 Eastern Time. The other is from 6 to 8 Pacific Time. I'll be starting these classes on Tuesday, November 7th. Your ticket buys admission to whichever time slot works best for you. This is a limited time offer. I encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity and sign up now.